Happy Easter Sunday, everybody. It is actually 7 p.m. We had a morning similar to how we had a couple weeks ago where I just could not with myself and unfortunately did not make it to church this morning. I'm working on that little by little, but I just feel so bad every single time that happens. I wanted to show you guys a couple of things I just picked up and some things that I got recently also. Actually 3 things. I think that's it. But this is the Secret, it's like a little ball of deodorant. It's like those EOS things. I wanted this because my purse is really small that I carry every day, and a regular stick of deodorant literally won't fit in it because it's that small. So I thought this would be better to carry with me. Also, this I wanted to try. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. So this is just a pen, I guess is the correct word for it, or pencil. Yeah, pencil. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista, and it is a Illuminate, Highlight, Strobe Powder. All of those things. And it looks so gorgeous, so I wanted to try it while I was on camera with you guys. My battery's running low. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm like making sure I'm not running out. Let's see what this puppy looks like. Oh wow, girl. Whoa. Okay. So that's a win. Can you guys see it already? Dang. This one's a little purpley, it looks like. I mean, you know, I guess some people call this iridescent, and I think that's probably the right term for it, and I'm calling it the wrong thing. But that's really pretty. I didn't put any highlight on today, so. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my makeup brushes. Did I tell you guys that we rented Jumanji from Redbox? So we're gonna watch that in a little bit. If you guys want a tutorial on some of the newer things I've been using, let me know, and maybe I can film that tomorrow for you guys. So, clean my makeup brushes, and then I'll hopefully see you guys later tonight. Okay, all my beauty blenders, all my makeup brushes are clean, except for these. I don't use them enough, and I think I'm gonna get rid of them. Hi guys. So, today is Wednesday, April the 4th, and we are currently in the office. So I didn't vlog yesterday, and I don't know that I vlogged Monday. I keep forgetting that my camera was like on the verge of dying, and then when I would go to plug it in, I would forget to plug it in, and then the next time I would go to vlog, I would open it and be like, oh yeah, I don't have any battery, and so on, and that just kept happening. Today, Dustin is working just a normal day till like 5, and then I am actually waiting on his mom to get off work, and she's gonna go so sweetly with me to the DMV to get my license changed, my name and my address. And I already got my social security card in the mail actually really quickly. So yeah, I don't know why I'm a little bit nervous about this today. Really, it's not like the process of doing it I'm nervous about. I'm really scared I'm gonna forget something. Like, I have my marriage certificate, I have my social security card, and then I asked what else I needed, and she said the only other thing I needed was my driver's license. I also have tons of laundry to do today, like, holy cow. The reason I haven't vlogged quite that much is this weekend was really tough. I had a lot of family stuff go on that I can't quite talk about right yet, or I don't want to at least. I took up a lot of my weekend, unfortunately. Sunday was a really rough day again for me. I don't know why that keeps happening on Sundays for me, but it's not a very good one, so yeah, we're just kind of making it through. Today I have to do all this laundry. I need to still vacuum and sweep. Somebody said on my last video, they were like, why don't you show yourself doing that stuff and like fast forward it, it's fun to watch. And I was like, totally agree. I don't know how to do that on my editor. Like, I have no idea. I've tried several times to like figure out how to speed up a clip, but for some reason it like doesn't do speed up. It does a really weird fast forward, which you would think is the same thing, but it is not, and I don't know why. So anyways, I am trying to figure that out, and I do agree that those are fun to watch. I don't know how to do it on my editor. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get home from hopefully changing my name and address on my driver's license. You guys wish me luck that it goes good. Home now. Let me tell you guys what was the easiest thing ever. The DMV. So if you are someone who is getting married, who has just gotten married, and you're in the same process as I am, you're about to get married, whatever you are, let me tell you, everyone's gonna say like, it's not a big deal to change your name, to go to the social security, to go to the DMV, whatever. Really, actually believe them, because when people have told me that, it's not that I'm like, I think you're lying, but I think I stay anxious about it anyways. Don't though. The social security office, that was the one that I went by myself to do. So easy, I was in and out. Today, the DMV, I will say, Probably if you could go first thing in the morning, you'll have a safer bet of not waiting. But me and Teresa were there for less than 30 minutes, and I changed my address and my name and everything, so pretty good. I'm gonna change my shirt really quick, and then I'll take you guys downstairs and fill you in on what we're doing right now. Welcome to my pantry. The way that Dustin likes his clothes dried is he dries his shirts basically like a tumble dry for about 15 minutes, and then he likes, where am I gonna put these? He likes to hang them on a hanger and let them air dry the rest of the way so that they don't shrink up. And Dustin also likes for his hangers to go in the bottom of his shirts, not the top, so that the neck does not stretch. Whoa. So that the neck does not stretch out. So that's what I'm doing right now. When you guys first got a brand new crock pot, did it seem to cook things super fast? I just asked Teresa, and basically what we came up with was maybe since it's new, it just has to like wear off its coating and then it'll cook like normally. But I've been following recipes, and I put it on the minimum amount of time to start with already, and it's like done, like super done, whatever it is that I'm cooking. I tried to make enchiladas the other day, which I think I showed you guys, and I did not show you the outcome, and it's because they were a super big fail. My best friend Leslie just asked how the DMV went. Girl, it was so good. It was so good. Okay, if you guys want a really dumb cleaning tip, what I like to do, since I have so much hardwood floor in my house, I really like a really deep clean, and I feel like vacuuming does a pretty good job on hardwood floors, but for some reason there's just more to miss if you only vacuum. The corners and everything are easier to get with a broom, I feel. So I go through each room, I sweep, and I create a bunch of little piles, and then I go back with our handheld vacuum cleaner and just vacuum them up. I feel like if you use a dustpan, again, for some reason, there's never been a good design of dustpan so that you get everything. And so this way you know you're not leaving anything, and it's just a little bit quicker, and I don't have to worry about keeping like the dustpan with me as I go. And then this way I can go back and mop if I want to too, which I try to do at minimum 1 time a week, but usually I like to try to do it 2 times a week. Dustin just walked in, and I tried to wave at him, and he's 110% unfazed by me. Didn't even know I was at the window. Hi, baby. No. Hello? Hello. Hi, honey. What are you doing? I'm just finishing my cleaning. Sweeping? Well, yeah, I got a lot of stuff. No. I got one like that. Okay. We're gonna go get some dinner. I'm not super hungry today for some reason. I was like this kind of last night too, but then as I was eating, I was like, oh yeah, I'm hungry, so maybe that'll be the case. But I think I'm just gonna stick with a smoothie from Arden's Garden, and then Dustin is contemplating getting some wings from Taco Mac. Okay, I guess you do have to go in and get it.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Dustin's gonna go get his food. See you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
That makes me look like a skeleton bone. Got my smoothie here. So this is called from Arden's a Carlito's Way, and it has, sorry, it's really sunny. It has pineapple as a base, and then it has mango, cherry, spinach, sweet and spicy nuts, and something else in it. It's really, really good and very, very filling. So luckily this was their special of the week, so it's normally about $9, but it actually was on sale with tax, was like $7, but I added a little bit for a tip for her. So anyways, that's our dinner. I can't see anything, so I'll see you guys when we get home. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, the 5th of April. I'm just getting ready for work. I'm going to show you guys my outfit really quick. So I have on these polka dot little jeans. I forget where these are from. I want to say like Aeropostale or something. But I will put it in the down bar. And then my favorite little booties that I got from a thrift store. And then this shirt that I like so much, I got it from Bargain Hunt. I don't know if you guys can tell the detail this way. Hold on. It just is like this at the top. It's really, really pretty. And then like bell sleeves. So I like that a whole lot. And yeah, so my hair looks crazy today. I don't even really care that much though. So I'm going to go downstairs and get some breakfast. Dustin has already left for work, and unfortunately he works really late tonight. And I feel like this is like going to be my first time coming home, and he's not here, and then he's not here for a really long time afterwards either. What do you guys eat for breakfast? And if you eat oatmeal, what do you like your oatmeal's consistency like? Because I like it really dry. If it's like super mushy, like still liquidy mushy, I have a hard time eating it. I'm gonna eat my breakfast really quickly, enjoy the view out the window, and then I'm gonna head to work. So I will see you guys this evening. Like I said, I don't think I'll like go anywhere except maybe to see Suki after work. So I will see you guys back at the house tonight. Hello, home from work. It's about 7, actually it's 6:39 right now. I'm boiling some water because I really wanted some mac and cheese, and I also stopped to get Oreos, sir. I'm trying this Annie's mac and cheese. Have you guys ever had this? Is it good? I was raised on just the Kraft, like regular mac and cheese, so I don't know how this one will be. I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious, but if you guys have tried it, let me know. Morning, guys. Same view as last night so far. So I'm just about to eat breakfast, obviously. Do you guys like Life cereal? It is one of my favorites, and I love the cinnamon one. But anyways, right now what I'm about to do, other than eat breakfast, I'm going to come up with my to-do list for today when I get home. I know I've already mentioned it, but after work I have a meeting with the bank at 3:30, and then I have to think of everything else. Okay, here we are. So I just wanted to say really quickly something that I posted on Instagram about last night. Hopefully I'm going to have this vlog edited together and uploaded tonight or tomorrow. I was going to come home and edit last night, and then that brings me to the thing I want to talk about. If you have someone or something in your life that constantly and repeatedly causes you stress, learn how to either not interact with that as much, or not allow yourself to take on that stress, or just cut it out completely. Mine's a thing that I think I can just cut out completely, but last night I got really worked up, and I'm not gonna say I had a panic attack because it was really weird. It wasn't like a full-on panic attack, but it was more than just being like upset, you know? If you're somebody who has panic attacks, you know there's like a fine line between like feeling like you're about to lose it and then actually losing it and having a panic attack. It was somewhere in the middle of all that, but the point is that, I don't know, I'm just doing a lot of thinking right now about things that you allow into your life and things that you invite into your life, and not all of it is necessary. So if it's something that you can let go of that is causing you some sort of physical or mental or spiritual downfall, you know, if it's something that every time you interact with a person or with that situation or whatever it is, that the outcome's always bad, then let it go. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. That was my morning wisdom for you guys.